Okay, so let's begin with the property based on the log. So here first we'll see the basic thing like how we can write root x, cube root of x, yes or no. So basically we can write any root. This all basic things I had explained in the first video lecture. Okay, so any root means any root, any root. It can be written as x raised to 1 upon n. Yes or no? Any root, it can be written as 1 upon n. So suppose if it is a square, so you can write square root, you can write it as 1 upon 2. If it is a cube root, you can write it as x raised to 1 by 3. Okay, like here, the first is what? Root x. So root x, we can write it as x raised to 1 upon 2 because square root means 2. And cube root means 3. So it can be written as 1 upon 3. Here it is cube root of x square. So cube root, we can write it as cube root, we can write it as 1 by 3, yes or no? But already we have x square. So this 2, x raised to 2, and this 1 upon 3, it will give x raised to 2 by 3 using the formula, which one? A raised to m n, which we can write as a raised to m into n, yes or no? So similarly, if I say, if you want to convert this cube root of x raised to 5, so it can be written as what? X raised to 5 by 3. Okay, so first, this is the basic things you must know before dealing the properties based on the law. So let's begin with the first formula, or we can say property. So here the first one, it says that what? Log a raised to m, it is equals to m into log a. Okay, so where a and m, we can say in place of a and m, there will be a number. Okay, so for example, if I say log 2 cube, so whenever you come across like this log 2 cube, by using the property log a raised to m, we can write it as m into log a. So we can write it as 3 into log a, where a is what? A is replaced by 2 and m is replaced by 3. So it can be written as 3 into log a. So in place of a is what? 2. So we'll take one more example. If I say log 4 cube, so it can be written as 3 into log 4. Understood? Suppose if I say log 3 raised to 1 by 2. So this part we can write it as 1 upon 2. It will come down into log 3. Okay, so what is the first formula? That is log a raised to m. Okay, so this power m will come down. Okay, it will come down here. So this is the first basic property. Okay, suppose if I say log root 3. So here can I write this log root 3 as log 3 raised to 1 by 2. So using the property log a raised to m, we know that this 1 upon 2 will come down into this will be log 3. Okay, so this is the property number 1. So second property is what? It is, we can say, the reverse process. Okay, reverse one. Suppose, for example, if we take 3 into log 2, so this can be written as what? Log 2. So this m will go to the power, so it will be log 2 cube. Okay, suppose the second example is what? 3 into log 4. So it can be written as log 4 cube. Okay, suppose if I say now 1 upon 2 into log 3, so it can be written as log 3 raised to 1 by 2. And we know that any number raised to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 indicate what? It is a square root. Okay, so this is the property number 2. Okay, I hope you all understood the first and the second property with the example. So let's move on to the next property. Okay, so the next property is what? Addition. The next property is addition. The next is multiplication. Then after that, it is subtraction, and then division. Yes or no? So here it is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division property. So here in third formula, it is what? Log A plus log B. Okay, it is what? Log A plus log B, which we can write it as log A into B. Okay, for example, as I told, AB is what? In place of AB, there will be a number. So basically, it will have the positive number only. Okay, so log, suppose if I say 3 plus log 2. Okay, so whenever there are two log and the connection is plus, so using the property, we can write it as log A into B. Yes or no? It says that log A plus log B is what? Log A into B. Yes or no? Log A into B. So log A into B. Got the point? So in the next step, this log A into B means 3 2s are, it we can write as 6. Understood? So let's take one more example. If I say log 4 plus log 3, so it can be written as what? Log 4 into 3, and we know that 4 3 is 12, so it can be written as log 12. Okay, so whenever there is addition, so it will get converted into multiplication. Can you see this? Okay, here addition is there, addition, so it will get converted into what? Multiplication. But this, there in addition there are two log. When it will get converted into multiplication, you will write only one log. Remember this. Okay, now same in the same way, the second formula, in that only the second formula, it says that suppose if there are more than two terms, then what we can do? Log A plus log B, in place of log A plus log B, suppose we have more than two terms, like log A plus log B plus log C plus log D, more than 2 3 terms. Okay, so in that case also you have to do the same thing. Addition, it will get converted into multiplication. So if I say here log 4 plus log 3 plus log 2 plus so and so. Okay, whenever you have to add a log, and see to that if it contain 2 or more than 2 log, so using this property it can be written as what? So log, so here we have 3 terms. Okay, so log A plus log B plus log C, it can be written as log A into B into C. So here we can write it as 4 into 3 into 2. So the final step here we can say this is log 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are, it is 24. So remember, whenever you have to add two logs or more than two logs and the connection is plus, so it will get converted into multiplication. Okay, so just I will write examples. So these are the example. So now let's move on to the fourth property. Okay, so in the fourth property, I can say it is the reverse process. Your multiplication, it will get converted into addition. Okay, so remember, in addition, clearly we can see that. Okay, in addition, clearly we can see that. Just wait a second.